We'll get you guys some food. Be right back. You guys hungry? Jasper and Tom and some. Sorry, buddy. Whoa. So many noises today, huh, guys? It's loud in our house today, huh? Some of you guys might be wondering why they have little stuffed bunnies in their little habitat, but we have a 5 and a 6-year-old who think that they need to have lots of stuffies with them, and sometimes we find Jasper laying on them like pillows, so they seem to, and they don't chew on them, which was my main concern, so all is well. Even guinea piggies need love, right guys? We need little stuffy loves. So Tom and Jasper are about 4 months old. They're little babies. Tom is a black and white one. Jasper is the brown and black one. Tom is a much bigger, more hungry piggy than Jasper is. We separated them for a while they ate because poor Jasper got nothing, but I think Jasper just prefers that, so look at him, he's eating just fine. Jasper's a little bit more nervous than Tom is too, so I think it has to do with that. Oh no, buddy. Jasper, dude. It's like you just took a big bite of spaghetti and you don't know what to do now. There's nothing more fascinating than watching some guinea pigs eat though. Oh my god. The noise is the best. Alright guys. Alright guys. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. We'll watch you guys play later. Bye-bye.